speaking. Now is the time for you to surrender everything. The time is short, the rapture is approaching. Always be ready, Jesus is coming. The Bible is true, the rapture is true. You need to believe Jesus is true. The gods of all gods, the King of all kings, the Counselor, the Prince of Peace, the powerful God, Creator of the world, is worthy to be praised. Open our mouth to lift up His